Every day we make decisions. Some are small, like what to eat for lunch. Others are big, like choosing a career or deciding where to live. But have you ever stopped to think how you make these decisions? This is where decision-making and critical thinking come in. What is decision-making? Decision-making is the process of choosing between two or more options. It involves identifying the problem, thinking about the possible solutions, and picking the best one. Good decision-making is not just about luck. It's about being thoughtful, logical, and aware of what really matters. What is critical thinking? Critical thinking means carefully analyzing information before making a judgment. It's the ability to ask questions, understand different points of view, and not blindly accept everything you hear or see. Critical thinking helps you to avoid mistakes, recognize bias, and make smarter choices. Why are these skills important? In today's world, we are surrounded by information. Some of it is helpful, some of it is not. Without critical thinking, we can be easily misled. Without strong decision-making, we may feel stuck, confused, or regret our choices. Together, these skills help us take control of our lives. They help us solve problems, achieve our goals, and build better relationships. Simple example: imagine you want to buy a new phone. A quick decision might be to choose the one with the biggest screen. But a critical thinker will ask, is it within my budget? What features do I really need? Are there better options? This simple process can help avoid wasting money or choosing the wrong product. Conclusion: decision-making and critical thinking are not talents you're born with. They are skills you can develop, and the more you practice, the better you become. In the upcoming videos, we'll explore how to improve these skills step by step. You'll learn tools and techniques to make smarter decisions in everyday life. So stay tuned and start thinking smarter today.